Hello there, my name is James, and today I want to take you through a little bit about the tool that I've created using Google Sheets. It's a very simple tool that can help you actually to manage your duty over at ASM. So this actually started as a personal project, of me wanting to find a way to easily plot the duty from the PDF given, because most of the time when the roster is released, I have to literally look at it kind of like scrolling left and right, scrolling up and down, finding the dates and slowly one by one inputting it into the calendar. I kind of thought that there could be an easier and better way of doing it, and therefore this tool that I've created. Ever since then, there has been many other enhancements that I've done. And I'll just take you through very quickly. So for this purpose of this tutorial, I'll be using this version down here called 2024 1030. So actually it stands for 30th of October. The tool have been through many iterations, and you can actually see some of the changes that was made over time here in the change log down here. You can see the blue part down here. To use the tool is very simple. You can see that it's actually very similar to Microsoft Excel, except this is Google Sheets. So at the bottom here, you see the different tabs, right? So based on what you want to do, you go to the different tabs, right? So you have, for example, Welcome, and then next you have this two green color tabs called Planner, 1.1 Planner and 1.2 Planner. Don't worry about it, I'll take you through very quickly later in the next few clips. If I actually want to go to expand to see the other tabs, you can see down here at the bottom there's this scroll right. So just press on it. You can see I got like for example 2.1 is paste from roster, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4. So these are all the blue tabs. Yeah, it's also all have to do with plotting it into your calendar. And then lastly, the red one is actually your earnings checker. So first, let's go to the welcome tab first, okay? And to explain to you, okay, I know there's a lot of text down here, but I try to basically help you to understand what this tool is. You can read more into it if you want, okay? But for now, I'll just explain to you that in the whole process, right, of you kind of planning your whole calendar, to plotting it, and also checking your earnings, there are like three main segments or three main stages of things you do. The first, of course, is the planner, right? So you can see down here, this part down here, this planner. So in the planner stage, of course, what you do is that you actually can import your calendar. Especially if you're using Google Calendar, you can import it in. Then you can actually look up which dates to block out, and then what it does is it actually gives you all the dates that you will send in for your off request. Next, we'll go to the scheduler. The scheduler basically it's the stage where you actually receive the roster and you want to actually find a very easy way of copying and creating calendar entries. Okay, the last stage is the checker. Checker basically helps you to check your earnings. So you can see this tool is basically split into these three phases, right? The planner, the scheduler, and the checker. All right. So in the next few minutes, we'll actually look into how to use them.